Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices so pairing is efficient. First, make sure the AirPods Max have battery and are not connected to another device. This prevents automatic reconnection. On Windows, open Settings, then Bluetooth and Devices, and switch Bluetooth on. This activates the adapter. Once done, press and hold the noise control and digital crown until the LED flashes white. This forces pairing mode, which is required because AirPods otherwise prefer known Apple devices. Now move to Windows to add the headset. You now pair in Windows. Click Add Device, then Bluetooth, and wait. Windows will scan and list AirPods Max. When you see AirPods Max, select it. Windows typically installs the required Bluetooth audio drivers automatically, which enables playback. Make sure to pick the correct audio role if prompted. Choose headset or hands-free for microphone use, or stereo for best music quality. Once connected, Windows shows status as connected. If you need to set it as the default playback device, open Sound Settings and select AirPods Max. You finish by confirming audio routing and testing. Open Sound Settings and set AirPods Max as default output, and if needed, input. This ensures apps use the headset. If audio skips or pairing fails, run Windows Bluetooth Troubleshooter and restart the Bluetooth service. This clears driver or adapter hiccups. If the AirPods Max remain stubborn, reset them. Hold the noise control and crown for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. Then re-enter pairing mode and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.